Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's crack any exam. In this video, I'm going to discuss Cognizant Technological Solutions hiring for graduate training. This is only for degree students. 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021 batches are eligible for this drive. Coming to job function, it is a customer or technical support job and it is a full-time job. Here you can see the application deadline. It is 30th November 2021. Coming to salary package, it is 2.5 lakh per annum. Next, let's discuss its job description. Technical support means providing a support for an application or product. This role is to do some troubleshooting for a product or application when any issue arises. For suppose, let's take a customer who is having an issue either in application or product. Then they will contact technical support team over mail, phone or chat. Customers tell their issues and then the technical support associate will diagnose, troubleshoot and fix the issue. You should have knowledge of Windows, Azure, MS Office, etc. You have to resolve issues globally. You have to work in partnership with various domains like banking, finance. Here you can see so many domains are there. You have to work with all these domains. You have to resolve and clarify queries and able to work and mingle with each other and work cooperatively with one another. You have to submit the given task in time and you must have problem solving, critical thinking and communicational skills. You should be able to work in rotational shifts. This is all about your job profile. Next, who are eligible for this position? Coming to eligibility criteria, any 3 years graduation program is okay. Maybe it is a BSc, BCom, everything is okay. But you must have 50% in 10th, 12th, diploma and UG, undergraduation. You should not have any backlogs. Acceptable gap is 2 years only. PG guys are not eligible to apply for this position. Let's see how to apply for this position. I'm clicking on apply for. Here you have to fill your email address and then click next. After entering your email address and clicking next, you can be able to open this form. You have to fill all these details. Those are basic details, contact details, most recent education, your previous education like 10th, 12th, and your internships and work experiences. And you have to upload your photo and documents. For all these, fill it. Next, submit your application. This is all about your application process. Some may thought that this is not Cognizant career site. It is a superset site, so it is a fake job position. Some may thought. Ask your friends or colleagues who wrote Capgemini or Wipro Elite exam. They wrote exam in superset site only. In order to write aptitude test, they will be given with superset ID and password. So you can apply through this website very freely. Okay. Hope you understand this. Thanks for watching.